There's a sentence sitting on your website right now, and it's quietly costing you clients. It goes something like this: We help businesses grow. Sounds fine, doesn't it? Professional, safe. The problem is, nobody believes it, nobody remembers it, and everybody says it. The same thing is happening in your videos. And the fix isn't better production or a louder hook. It's one principle that most business owners completely ignore: specificity. Come with me. Your prospect's brain is a filter. All day long, it throws out anything that sounds like everything else. And we deliver results. We are passionate about quality. We put our clients first. That's wallpaper. It's the background noise of every website in your industry. Here's the test: if your competitor could paste your exact sentence onto their site and it would fit perfectly, well, that sentence is doing nothing for you. A claim that could belong to anyone sticks to no one. The words go in one ear and they vanish because they carry zero information that the viewer can hold on to. And it's not that your prospect is lazy or distracted, it's that they've heard the exact same promise 1,000 times from 1,000 businesses that didn't deliver. Generic language actually triggers the guard. We're the trusted experts. Doesn't build trust. It quietly signals that you sound like everyone who let them down before. Vague isn't neutral. It works against you. Now, watch what happens when you get specific. Like, we help business grows becomes, we helped a 14-person accounting firm cut their month-end close from 10 days down to 3. You feel the difference? Suddenly you believe it. And the reason is almost sneaky. Specificity is the fingerprint of truth. Nobody invents a detail that's so oddly exact. A round, vague claim smells like marketing. A precise number, a real situation, an actual time frame, that smells like something that really happened. The detail becomes the proof itself. This is why the sharpest experts talking names and numbers, not adjective. A lot of happy clients is forgettable. My last client booked 9 discovery calls in her first month. Well, that's undeniable. The more concrete you are, the more credible you become without adding a single word of hype. So before your next video, run an audit. Hunt down every empty phrase in your script and force it to get concrete. Many clients becomes a client named Sarah. Great results becomes the actual result. We save you time becomes we gave one client back 6 hours every week. Watch how one sentence transforms everything. We help small businesses with their marketing. That's a shrug. But last month, I helped a solo bookkeeper who hadn't posted in a year turn 8 old client questions into 8 videos, and she booked 3 calls of the first one. That's a story that your prospect can actually see themselves inside. Same message, one is wallpaper, the other one is a hook. The details did all the work. The same rule transforms your testimonials. When you interview a client on camera, in person, or remotely, don't settle for things really improved. Push gently for the specifics. What was the number before? What was it after? How long did it take? Like, things got better convinces no one, but our booked calls double in 90 days. That closes the deal for you while you're asleep. And a warning: don't swing so hard into specific that you can't back them up. Real numbers only. The whole power of this move is that it's true. The moment you exaggerate, you lose the exact trust that you were trying to build. Here's the part that pays you back for months. Specific claims don't just get believed, they get repeated. Nobody walks away and tells a colleague, well, you should call them. They help businesses grow. But they absolutely repeat something like, they got that firm from 10 days to 3. Specificity is what makes your message travel. It sticks in one person's memory well enough that they can hand it to the next. And when you really think about it, a referral is nothing more than your specifics, repeated by someone else. So stop saying what everyone says. Say one true concrete thing only that only you can say and let it do the work. That's it for today. Before you go, don't forget to give us a like or leave a comment. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our channel to stay on top of everything related to video for business. See you in the next video line.